How to return in Zara app. Now, if you have made the purchase as a registered user on Zara, you will be able to request a refund from the details of your order page. If you have made a guest purchase, then you can request it by accessing the link that appears in any of the emails that Zara sent you about your order, right? But if you had a registered account, you can simply open the Zara app, go to the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, and over here you'll be able to see all of the orders that you had made. So when you go to the, let's say, the purchases tab, you'll be able to see any purchases or orders that you made. There in the details, you'll be able to select the request a return button, where you can follow the instructions in the email you receive, which will include a number of labels to use and where to deliver the package. And you can also take the package to the shipping company location that you selected. And either way, this is the way that you'll be able to return in the Zara app and try to request for a refund. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.